Broad beans, also known as fava beans, are a nutritious and versatile legume that has been cultivated for thousands of years. They are packed with a variety of health benefits that make them a valuable addition to any diet. Here are the top benefits of broad beans. 1. Rich in nutrients. Broad beans are a great source of protein, dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are particularly high in folate, manganese, and copper. 2. Heart health. The fiber, potassium, and magnesium in broad beans support heart health and can help reduce the risk of heart disease. 3. Bone health. They are a good source of calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining strong bones. 4. Supports digestion. The dietary fiber in broad beans aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. 5. Boosts immune system. Broad beans are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which can help strengthen the immune system. 6. Weight management. Being low in calories and high in protein and fiber, they can help in weight management by promoting feelings of fullness. 7. Good for diabetics. Their low glycemic index means they can help regulate blood sugar levels. Including broad beans in your diet can offer a myriad of health benefits, making them a must-have in your kitchen.